In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Hostinger. If you're finished managing your website, hosting settings, or account details, it's always a good idea to sign out properly, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Logging out helps protect your account and make sure no one else can access your dashboard after you're done. To begin, look at the top right corner of the Hostinger dashboard. In most cases, this is where you'll find your profile icon. The icon may appear as a small profile picture, an initial, or a simple account symbol depending on your account settings and the version of the interface you're seeing. If you're not sure where to click, just focus on the upper right area of the screen, since that's typically where account options are grouped. Once you find the profile icon, click on it. This will open a small menu with account-related options. These menus usually contain settings related to your profile, account preferences, and sign-in controls, so opening it is the key step before you can log out. From that drop-down menu, choose the option that says Log Out. After you click it, Hostinger will sign you out of your account and return you to the login screen or home page depending on how your session is set up. That confirms that the logout process is complete. If the menu closes too quickly or you don't see the option right away, just click the profile icon again and look carefully through the menu items. On some screens, the wording or layout may appear slightly different, but the logout option is generally easy to spot once the account menu is open. As a helpful tip, after logging out, wait a second to make sure the page refreshes and that you are no longer inside your dashboard. If you want to double-check, try navigating back to the previous page. If Hostinger asks you to log in again, that means you've signed out successfully. And that's all it takes to log out in Hostinger. It's a very quick process, but it's an important habit for keeping your account secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.